Okay, today we're going to learn how to do a Lindy step. And a Lindy step is composed of two different steps. You're going to do a chasse to the right or a shuffle. So it's a chasse or a shuffle. With your left foot, you're going to just rock back. Now you're going to do a Lindy or chasse to your left, chasse, rock back. So again, I'm going to turn around so you could watch me. It's derived again with a shuffle, chasse, or and do a rock step back. So it's a chasse, shuffle, rock, back, chasse, shuffle, rock, back. So again with a count, it's 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Thank you for watching.